Good morning of this 9th of April 2015. We are going to learn how to use a software which is called GeoGebra. Well, first of all, we are going to search for GeoGebra online. Then we click on the first address and then we go on by clicking on geometry. And then we're gonna find the following screen. First, we're gonna activate in views. We're gonna activate algebra, the window algebra, and also graphics. If we click on the right button of the mouse, we click on axis and on grid also. Well, here we have different menus. We're gonna start by clicking on the menu of circumferences, and the first icon says circle with center through point. So we choose the first icon and we go to the grid, and we are going to draw a circle with center point A and with a radius of 1. Then we're going to choose in the menu the dots, and we choose point, and then we're going to sort of draw two dots, 2 points just under this circle. Then we're going to take out a slider and click on the screen, and the slider value depends on where the center of this circumference is placed. This display is placed on the coordinates 2, 4, so that means that the maximum value of height of this point is going to be 4. That's why we're going to give it minimum value 0, that will correspond 0, and the maximum value would be 4. That would be the maximum height, that would be 4. We are going to apply it, and now we are going to make these points to move up and down by, well, first of all, let's go and see properties of these points. We click on the right button on the mouse, and we're going to search for object properties, and in object properties we are going to change the properties of the point. Well, sorry, cancel object properties. We have that the point is going to be 3x 1 y, so we're going to change the height of this point, so that is going to be a variable quantity that we are going to call a. So we 3, a intro, and let's see what's going to happen. Well, the thing that's going to happen is that when we sort of move the slider, the point is going to go up and down from the x-axis up to the circumference. We want the point C to move in the opposite direction, so that's why we go to object properties, and then instead of the coordinates, instead of 1, 1, we want to change the height. Since this is the maximum height is going to be 4, and to move the opposite direction we will have to write down 4 minus a, which is the slider. We press intro and then we click across it. Now let's move the slider and see what's happening. So what is happening basically is that while point C moves up, point D moves down, so they move in opposite directions. We still need, we go to the menu and we're gonna draw a segment, and we're gonna draw 2 segments to simulate the rope of the string. Let's see what's going on. So while one is moving up, the other is moving down.